Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Use for Tunes. Today we'll discuss about a text to speech on TikTok. Part 1. Adding text to speech, text to speech to your video is easy to do in the to your video easy to do in the TikTok app on Android, iPhone and iPad. Number 1. Capture your video as usually would Number 2. Before tapping next at the bottom, tap next. This is at the bottom on mobile. Tap text. This is at the bottom on mobile phones. And the top right on tablets. Number 3. Type your text into the text box. Type your text into the text box. Number 4. Immediately tap the text to speech. Tap the text to speech icon to the left of the font style. And select done at the top. Select done at the top. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.